Hello guys! Today we will show you how to make the elderberry syrup. I live in Italy and here elderberry plant blooms in late spring. Not all parts of the plant are edible. We take the flowers of the right consistency. The perfume is excellent. With this movement, with the hands, we understand if the flowers are properly ripe. Now we can begin the transformation phase. These are the ingredients for a liter of syrup. The first step is to wash the crop. Now we take the scissors and cut the stem. The elderberry flowers are very white and their shape reminds me of the stars. Now we can take the lemons. It is always better to wash them carefully. The next goal is to remove the yellow peel. The white part attached to the lemon doesn't taste good. We should cut it as little as possible. Making syrup is an excellent idea to do with family or friends. I did it with my girlfriend and yes, she is better than me. This is the result. Now we have to squeeze the lemons. After taking the container, we insert the ingredients. We can mix the ingredients to make the mixture homogeneous. Now we can close the container. We leave it to rest in the dark for 48 hours. The bottles, before being filled, must be sterilized. We filter the liquid that we have left to rest. Even in these cases, union is strength. This is our super syrup. Now we weigh it. We have to add a kilo of sugar per liter. We have to bring the syrup to a boil. We have to mix gently to have a homogeneous syrup. Then we pour it hot into the bottle. It will keep for 15 days in the fridge, but you can also put it in the freezer. And finally, the game is done. Good taste.